kayo ng taas. Asan sila? Muli naman sila.
Nag-inom lang siguro motor.
Ano man na? Pero pinta kayo bro mag...
Puno na po.
Sir, dapat tayo nasa baba ng message dito. May chair sa doon na. Nasa baba, sir. Nasa may parking sa baba. Na tayo place dito.
Na kayo.
Except na may
Sir, naata dito, sir. Puno na dito.
Sir, si Hay to may vlog. Vlog to, si Hay.
Ay! Ayan po. Ayan. Tadi sa
Sir Charles, okay. Salamat. Na. Semua po din. Sik. Pero okay sik ini ligling. Mapaw.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Just checking if this is easy or not. I know that all of you traveled very early, so I'm pretty much sure we cannot fit here. So for those people who are still standing, we still have other places. You can ask Irwin, our business development, so that he can escort you to your respective places where you can have your own seats. Again, we have designated areas of office where you can sit down together with your people instead of you standing there for the rest of our event. Again, we have respective areas where you can sit down together with your team. Just ask our business development executive Irwin, so that you will be guided during the process. Then for those who are in our bags, kindly please make sure that the bags are not sitting
Ay, puno na siguro dito.
who are still standing right now. And bawal din po ang reserve. Again, no reservations. Let's give way to those people who are already inside our room.
Pwede pa. Sulod pa mo, sulod. Magawa na. Nandang position lang yung van. Sobrang ganda dagan.
We can just go to our designated areas. There are seats available so that your team can sit down as we proceed to our program proper. Okay, while we are waiting,